Can you say Easter?
Easter.
What are we going to do today? We painting Easter eggs? Yeah, we are. We're painting Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Can you say Easter eggs? Becca, say hi, Mima.
Hi, Mima.
Hey, Granny Lynn.
Hi, Granny.
Hey, Biggie.
Hey, Biggie.
Tell him your name.
Becca Fossil.
That's right. Say Happy Easter.
Easter.
Becca, can you say Becca? Beck. Hey, Becca.
No.
Say hey. Say hey, Nana.
Oh, no.
Hey, Nana.
No.
Hey, Papa. Hey, Becca. Becca. Can you say hey, Papa?
No.
You don't want to?
Sit down.
You got to stand up. Can you stand up?
Hit.
Here, let me help you. Okay, now stand up. Okay. Becca, say hey, Nana.
Hey, Nana.
Hey, Papa.
Hey, Nana.
Say hey, Papa. Say hey, Papa. Hey, Uncle Tiz. Becca, can you say it?
Here's the plan. We're going to put the eggs in here and color them. Okay? That's a scooper.
That sound like a good plan, Beck?
And these mark on the egg if you don't want the color to stick, if you want to draw on the egg. You want to draw on an egg?
Hit.
I'll reach.
You want to write on
Hold
one?
Don't fall. Here's the egg.
Here, use the crayon and draw on it. You could draw on the egg. Really?
You can't see it right now, but you will.
Hit.
What color do you want the egg? Egg? What color? Orange?
Orange.
Put the egg in there. See, it gets colored.
Color. Color.
Have to leave him in there for a little bit. Now what color you want to do?
Okay.
All clean. Put it in there.
Good job, Becca.
Okay. Over there. Check that out. Oh, it's yellow, isn't it? What color is that?
Oh.
What color? What color is that? What color?
Is it yellow, Becca?
Oh!
Oh. She's from.
Sadie's barking at the Federal Express man.
Careful, Becca, you'll break him.
Ready to dip him out? Wait, oh, dip, dip. That's what this is for. Get him out. Ready? Put him over here.
Good job, Becca.
Ta-da! Okay. It's a red one. Ooh.
Look at how pretty he is.
Need to put him back in on that side.
Did you make eggs? Oh, wow.
Careful.
Careful with him. Careful with him. Be gentle.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Leave him in there. Careful. Careful. They're very brittle. Put it down. Good job. Becca, are they awesome?
Yeah.
Can you say awesome? Say Happy Easter.
Easter.
Happy Easter.
Color.
I think we're done with the colors. All done.
Color. Color.
No. Hey, Becca, can you say all done?
Alone.
All done. Say love you.
Love you.
Bye.